So we haven't officially announced it yet, but this is George's replacement for the truck. It's an 03 Civic Si, the EP3. It's one of those cars that he's wanted for a long time, and you don't see too many of them, so this is going to be in like some future videos. We're going to do some stuff with it, but kind of as a surprise, I bought him a gift for it. He said the shocks are bad, and he's got stock shocks or aftermarket replacement shocks that are not good. So we showed the little surprise, and it's in the shop right now. He keeps looking at it, and he's probably wondering what it is and what car it's for, because he knows what's going on in here. So George, I got a gift for you.
Razor blade?
Yeah.
I like razor blades.
You know what it's for?
These are made in the USA too?
I figured rather than letting that grow, if you want to use that to shit. No.
I'm not supposed to shave?
No.
Oh.
That gift is for you.
This for me?
Yeah. It's a box of cams.
How many cams would be in there?
Every cam Skunk2 will make, you get every one. And you, as soon as you know how to replace them, you can try them all and see which ones you like.
The ultimate Skunk2 cam test?
It's the cam package. I figured you'll be looking at this box like, what the heck did we order? Yes, it's a box of suspension!
That's awesome.
For the EP3.
That's great.
George is back.
I'm back.
All he needs to do now is...
It's been 2 years.
I know. I just filmed your car out there, so this can be an install video, and of course we got to put your car in the dyno just to do a base, just to show where it is. The question is, if you want to call Esther and make an appointment to get this installed,
Yeah, I'll have to do that.
yeah, I can get someone on it and we'll do a really nice job.
We're pretty busy, so.
Yeah. So yeah, if you call Esther, if we have a cancellation, we can get this in. But this is the good stuff. This is their new ST.
This is the ST?
Is it ST or SP? Pro ST. It used to be Pro C. This is their super duper adjustable. It's like 18 billion way adjustable.
18 billion?
Yeah, you can literally spend the rest of your life dialing in the suspension.
There's 18 billion clicks.
There's 18 billion combinations, which are so precisely adjustable, you won't know if it's getting better or worse.
Tie rod ends.
This is nice. It's all powder coated black.
Yeah, it is.
I like this better than the silver.
Yeah.
This is nice. Look at this.
That's real good.
14,000 pound springs. It's gonna ride nice.
Are they 14?
No, 700.
7.
Nice. It's holding it like a baby. So yeah, we appreciate all you do, George, even though you work for $3 an hour. And I make you work on supercars, even though I should make you work on old Vens.
That's right. You say that I get tips too. I just, no one really leaves it. So $3 an hour is fine.
Exactly. $3 an hour plus tips.
Exactly.
Plus all the suspension that you can install. So the cams are in the bottom. Alright, you ready to put it on the dyno, George?
Yeah, so unleash some EP3 fury.
Let's let it rip. Let's check it out. Alright, so we have the car on the dyno. We're going to go ahead and strap them. Let me go ahead and open K-Pro and find the stock map so we can put it on this. So let's see, you click here of whatever motor you want in it. What motor do you want, George? K24 RSX stock?
Which one?
Which motor do you want in it?
What motor? Oh, you can just put it in there.
You click the motor of whatever you want. This is you, right?
Yeah, let's just stick with that for now, and then maybe we'll click into like the Euro Type R motor or something.
This also is tuned.
Factory calibration right there.
There it is, look at that, factory cal. All right, so we are strapped down. I see we have 4 straps in the front. I know somebody's going to say, wow, dude, that's overkill for 130 horsepower. Yes, it is. But let's say we have 2, and let's say that one snaps. That one is no good. The car's going to fly off the dyno. So, all about overkill. So, yes, we have 2 sets of straps on the front. All right, there it goes. Let's go ahead and put that guy in there. All right, is key on?
Yep.
So that might be why we're not getting a connection.
Yeah, that wasn't in there.
Oh, that was a Bluetooth cable. Alright, so, oh, look at that. That made the cool sound. Alright, let's go ahead and upload. Alright. Fire it up, let it run. Let's just make sure it still runs. It's definitely a good sign.
Still runs.
What should we expecting, George?
130.
130 wheel?
Yeah.
What are they rated at the crank?
160.
160? Okay.
It's getting up there.
The air fuel ratio is locked at 13.8 and the trim is stopped. Let's bring the RPMs up a little bit.
Engine lights on.
Yeah, it's almost like someone's not happy. Okay, if the engine light's on. Yeah, we've got an air fuel ratio sensor code. It says not active. It's working again. The old turn it off and turn it back on again. It's up to 171. Do you want to kick on the fan and let's do a run? Alright, here we go. Baseline dyno run. George's EP3. See what we got. So I'm going to do a little tinker, a little play. I'm going to click on a few things, do a little bit of a custom tune to see if we can get anything out of it, because it does. There's no sense in the reflash. It takes you to 73. There's no sense in revving it any further. It's just falling off. So we're dropping that rev limiter back to 7. But let me go ahead and tinker around, see if I can make a little bit of power. Yes, George is watching the Bully Dynamite. I'm doing a magic tune. Key on, George.
What's up?
There it is. That's the award-winning tune.
Yep.
Which means if it's good and you give me an award, it's an award-winning tune. All right, let it rip. That's it, George. 145.
Sounds good.
So you're up from where you started, and considering it's a car that comes with 160.
Yeah, I thought we were only going to do 130, so.
That's actually not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all. So next step, suspension. Next step, tires, or possibly, you can do wheels too, right?
Yeah, I've already got wheels. I just don't have tires on them.
All right, so wheels are coming, tires are coming, the suspension, we already showed you that. And then if some fairy godmother flies in with a K24, that would be perfect.
Yeah, that would go and drop right in there.
What would be your ideal motor for this?
Just a K24A2, just stock TSX for now.
Yeah, you can't beat those motors. Bolt in with a little tune-in, header. Again, this is completely stock. Intake stock, header is stock, cat. Exhaust, everything is 100% stock. So a good K24, just a good bone stock K24 with some tuning and some bolt-ons. We'll do what, 220?
Probably 220, yeah.
220, and that would be just a strong, fun car that you can take to the track and have a ton of power in the mid-range. So there it is, more to come. That was your first taste of George's truck replacement, the EP3. Keep an eye on this, we're going to be doing more stuff to it. Alright, one last run. We're chasing tiny amounts of horsepower, 1 or 2 horsepower here and there. Pretty quiet. Listen to that. Have a conversation behind that exhaust. Ready when you are. anything?